Hey everyone! In this video, I'm showcasing my project called RightClick AI, a complete AI-powered productivity platform that combines a Python backend, a Chrome extension, and an Android AI keyboard into one unified system. Here you can see the project overview, including features like RAG-based search, AI chat, grammar correction, and professional rewriting. It also supports document-aware responses using Retrieval-Augmented Generation. The system is designed to work across multiple platforms, with shared capabilities like authentication, document processing, and AI inference. Now moving to the backend. This is a FastAPI server running inside Docker, along with MongoDB for document storage. It handles authentication, file uploads, and all AI processing requests. Here you can see the logs showing API activity, database connections, and embedding generation for the RAG pipeline. This confirms that the backend is live and ready to handle requests. Next, I've installed the Chrome extension. This integrates AI directly into the browser, allowing users to interact using simple right-click actions. Here's the extension interface. Users can log in, upload documents, and access different AI modes. Authentication is handled securely using JWT tokens. Now I'm opening a sample article. This is where the extension becomes really powerful. Users can select any text on a web page and instantly apply AI transformations. Here I'm uploading a document. It gets processed by the backend and indexed for retrieval. This enables personalized responses based on user data. The system uses Retrieval-Augmented Generation. Relevant information is fetched from stored documents and combined with LLM responses, resulting in more accurate and context-aware outputs. With the extension, users can right-click on selected text and choose actions like grammar correction, professional rewriting, or AI-generated replies. The output is instantly replaced back into the page. This creates a seamless workflow where AI assistance is available everywhere, from browsing to writing. Overall, RightClick AI brings together backend intelligence, browser integration, and mobile input into one unified AI ecosystem. Thanks for watching.